Before you listen, here is what you will learn. In this story, you will practice simple past tense, city and travel vocabulary, and feeling words like afraid, angry, shocked, and relieved. Listen until the end to learn how English describes problems and calm reactions. One evening, a woman stood at a busy bus stop. She had a long day at work and felt tired. She held her mobile phone in her hand and checked the time. The street was loud, with cars passing and people talking. Suddenly, someone ran past her. Before she could react, the phone was gone. The woman froze, her heart beat fast. She looked around and saw a young man running down the street with her phone. "Hey!" she shouted, but he did not stop. She felt scared and angry. The phone had her photos, messages, and important contacts. She did not know what to do. People around her looked surprised, but no one moved. Then something unexpected happened. An older man nearby dropped his bag and started running after the thief. A few others followed. The thief turned a corner and slowed down. He slipped and the phone fell from his hand. The older man picked it up. Soon the police arrived. The thief ran away, but the phone was safe. The older man walked back and gave the phone to the woman. "Here you go," he said, breathing hard. The woman felt tears in her eyes. "Thank you," she said. "I don't know how to thank you." He smiled. "Just be careful," he said. That night, the woman held her phone tightly. She learned an important lesson. Bad moments can happen anywhere, but kind people are still around. Sometimes, help comes from strangers when you need it most.